what I said is, this is too dick heavy, all the man there, dégage. If you don't know what that means in French, move. Let the ladies come to the front, and you man them that don't have rhythm, let's switch it up. And all the LGBTs at the front as well. This might become moderate, but you know, I want to see what I want to say. So, starting us out, all the way from Berlin, honey, but here Colombia, look at the stunning cheekbone of the Colombian, honey. Live from Guyana, make some noise for Perra Inmunda. Come on, shake your ass, honey, for the Perra. Yes.